So using these theorems we've learned about base angles, can we do this? Find the values of x and y in the diagram. What you see here, hopefully what you see here, is you see an equilateral triangle on the left, and we know it's equilateral because since these three angles are congruent, these three sides must be congruent. And then we have an isosceles triangle, which hopefully you can tell because due to the fact that these two angles are congruent, the base angles, then this side must be the same as that side. So all four of these segments must all be congruent because of the base angles theorem and the corollary to the base angles theorem. So what is x and y? Well, if they're all the same, this here tells us this side is 4. That means all the sides must be 4. So this y must also be 4. So there's our value for y. And this x plus 1 must also equal 4. Well, if x plus 1 equals 4, I'd have to subtract 1 from both sides to figure out that x is 3. So there are my results. X is 3, y is 4. Done with example 3.